one of the folk using our VR that has been developed by our team, the virtual reality background. So how do you feel?
It is super impressive. I like this view.
You can also see what he is seeing through our laptop.
Yeah, it is very nice.
So how do you feel after using our VR headset?
It was super impressive. I liked whatever I saw. I actually saw a video of solar system. I could see the planets. I could feel that I was present over there, and I could see the planets evolving. It was such a nice experience, and I can tell that it could be a really very great innovation if we actually come up with something like this.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So hello folks. I'm here today to talk about an innovative solution that could potentially revolutionize the Indian education system. As we all know, education is one of the most crucial aspects of country's development. However, the Indian education system is facing numerous challenges, including the lack of personalized learning, poor quality of teaching, and inadequate infrastructure. To solve all of these, we are introducing you Shiksha Miraj. Shiksha Miraj is an AI powered learning buddy and a VR platform that allows students to interact with education more efficiently. So let me first introduce you to the Shiksha AI. So Shiksha AI is an AI that helps students to find the career paths by analyzing students' data and help them to find best course path for them. And it also has the ability to schedule their timetable. It knows everything because it is trained like that. Then the second part is of our application is Mirage. So Mirage is a virtual reality platform that allows students to understand concepts in much more easy way by actually seeing the concepts and diagrams in front of them, which enhances the learning because it's immersive and more interactable. So some of the problems in Indian education are listed here, but we need to understand that now the current situation in India is like according to a report by UNESCO, only 74% of Indian students who enroll in primary school reach the 5th grade and only 47% make it to the 10th grade. This is a concerning statistics and we need to do something. And the other problems are like limited access to quality education, traditional methods of learning, poor quality of teaching, overburdened teachers, inadequate infrastructure, high fees for higher education system, and lack of clarity. So what we do? So we have the Shiksha Mirage, which helps you to solve all of these problems. So first, the feature of this is that AI benefit education system that is a mobile application which is accessible to all. Then it also adapts to students' learning pattern through its ML models, provides a personalized learning experience by evaluating and suggesting readings. It offers a VR based learning for interactive learning and clarity of a subject. Then its economics is so easy to handle that we have created this particular application with headset is around 1700. So Shiksha AI can cost a student 1700 annually. And of course our two friends Shiksha AI and Shiksha Miraj. So now see that how Shiksha AI work. So talking about our tech stack, so the application development is done and the front end is done on Flutter and the back end is on Flask. For ML models APIs, we are using Flask. For database and authentication, we are using Firebase. For the virtual reality interactions, we are using Unity that is written on C Sharp. Then for ML models, we are using random forest model. For LLM, we are using OpenAI and Hugging Face. So how it works, how the Shiksha AI works. So the machine learning algorithms analyze the learning patterns of the student and takes the data and analyze it particularly. Then we have personalized learning according to the data collected from the student and interactiveness with the app. Then we have VR based learning enhances understanding runs on a 360 environment which makes study more interesting for a student who is in a kindergarten for 12th because like students are more interesting in games, so making things like games in real world is one of the greatest advantage of this application. So, what are the benefits of Shiksha Mirage using? We are hoping that those person who will be using Shiksha Mirage will be get these benefits like improved learning outcomes, increased engagement and understanding through virtual reality. Then it has accessibility to wide range of learners because of its cost effectiveness per student. It costs only 1700 annually, including VR headset, and it has the ability to make a timetable. So it's also your own task master. So now it's time to see the UI of this application. So we have research each and every part of this application. Now talking about its color code, the color code is green and white. So why are we are choosing green and white? Because a study shows that green and white colors combination can soothe mind and calms it. So for the students, like there needs to be soothe calmness, so they will be interacted with the application. Then all they feel they spend the time lot more in the application, so there will be less strain in their eyes. So we have like our courses there, like which courses you are enrolled, which courses are your active and your available courses. Then you can choose the topic you want to learn. Then it shows the according to the videos according to that, and those are virtual videos basically. Like some of them we are created according to the need. Then it takes a small assessment of you, shows your score. Then it have your leaderboard, how you are performing among other students of your same field. So you will get the competition, right? Because there is an increase in competition, so you get the leaderboard and know how the real competition is working on. And then we have our dashboard, which tells the student the performance analysis of that particular student, like how is performing over the time. So if you have more doubt, you can come to us, and for more queries you can ask us. And we'll be thanking to PW Skills, iStart, and DDITTC Rajasthan, which giving us such a great opportunity. That is in class 8th and ninth, where you can see that how we are explaining solar system in a virtual world, explaining each and every planet through its names.
So hello everyone, this is Shiksha Miraj, and today we are going to discuss about how the Flask framework is working in this project. And starting with this, so this is the first Flask framework we have created. In this, actually we have trained a model using a random forest regression, in which we are taking input parameters as assessment and time taken. So the assessment input is basically the score of the test given by the student, and the time taken is the time taken by the student for giving the test. The parameters here, both the parameters have the limit. Like assessment input is of 40 marks total, and time taken is out of 50 minutes. So each question will take in each question we will give 5 to 10 minutes to a student. So now, how this going to work is we are going to loading here the pickle model which we have trained, and using the predict function to predict those values, and it will give us the output. And let me show you that how this is going to run. So will show you this in the postman. So let's say we are sending these two input values to the our class application, and as soon as we send, it will result give us in as answer as 4. So it means that the category in which we have placed our the student is 4. So we have categorize the result from 1 to 5, from worst to best. So 1 is the worst and 5 is the best. So out of that, we have scaled the student to 4 because it has scored 32 marks out of 40 and taken 20 minutes to solve those questions. Now, talking about another class framework we have created here, which is app.py. In this framework, we have basically used a AI model in which we are asking a AI for giving us of any 5 questions from a particular topic the student has chosen, and will give us the result in a JSON format. So
So, folks, this is our GitHub repository. As a software engineer and IT professionals, we need to know how important GitHub is because it is a very much useful version control all over the world. Now, talking about our GitHub repository, then if I'll talk about Shiksha Mirage is an mobile application developed for Rajasthan IT Hackathon 7.0, which is one of the greatest opportunity for us that provides an AI-based personalized learning ecosystem that application users C Sharp, Flutter, Flask, Firebase, OpenAI, GitHub, Hugging Face, like using a well-maintained code here. Then talking about its features, firstly, our application will provide personalized learning experience for each student personally, which is currently not available in Indian education system. This will cater to the diverse learning needs of students and help them understand difficult concepts with the ease. So like for the base we are using Flutter for the front end, and for the back end we are using Flask. We have mentioned each and everything in our GitHub repository. As you can see that the documentation, the VR videos, all of them are mentioned here. Then for the software architecture, we are showing it by a mind map, how we are creating this. So through the mind map, we are actually implementing these type of things. For Shiksha Mirage AI, which helps AI powered personalized learning pilot, which helps you to like summarize your course and like give a preview of your particular course. So this is our code base for this particular project development. So this is our ML APIs. In like first is the API.py and that is app.py. Those are bundled in Flask, as you see. Then we have pickle model that will allow you to integrate the ML models with our application. Then we have Shiksha Mirage VR, which have all the VR modules, assets, and textures, and all of the virtual reality things. Then we have libraries. Common has the shared things, and it has styles. Then we have styles like colors and styles used in this particular application. So these are the models which have been like yeah, your courses, playlist, users, and data and courses video. Then we have our chat screen dot that function that has the chat screen. Then we have our home screen, which is here on the right hand side of the application. So this is our particular code base for the login screen. As you enter the details and log in, you will get into the application. So this is our home page. So as you can see, here is the home screen and the code. Then we have chat section, which is Shiksha AI, which tells you each and everything, answers your questions like in AI. Then we have our leaderboard. Then we have our home screen that allows you to take analytics. If you would like to contribute to Shiksha Miraj, please follow these steps as per the given listed here.